Once upon a time in sunny Singapore, a little boy and his mom lived in a cozy flat. The boy dreamed of a drum to tap and play all day. "Mom, may I have a drum, please?" he'd ask. So, off to the market his mom went. What do you think the boy would like from the market, Jamie? As the boy's mum wandered through the bustling market, she thought of Jamie's suggestion. Ota would be lovely, she mused, imagining the spicy grilled fish wrapped in banana leaves. But today, her heart was set on something else. She was on a mission to find a drum for her son, something he'd longed for, to tap and play all day. 从前有一位贫穷的妇人和他的小儿子住在冰岛的一个小木屋里。小男孩梦想拥有一只鼓，他想敲打击鼓演奏。妈妈，我想要一只鼓。男孩日夜不停地向母亲请求。于是第二天早上，妇人带着他编织的布去市场上卖。在去市场的路上，你认为小男孩会想从市场上得到什么呢？